Good morning, guys. We have ourselves a pretty cool project on our hands. We are out here in Urbandale, Iowa with what is going to be a tear out redo of this stream system in this front yard. So right now we have a pretty intense system put in our hands right now. Everything is mortared together. There are plants growing like crazy. We got it going underneath the stairway up here, starting all the way up top and working clear down. And our goal is to get everything torn out and put a brand new system in that doesn't deal with a bunch of leaks like this system does right now. It's going to be a fun job. It's going to be sort of a tough job. It's going to be 100-some degrees this week is what it's going to feel like. We got a bunch of plants to work around, so we'll get some of those popped. And as you can see, based off of these wonderful flags, there's also maybe a little bit of utility work running right underneath where we're working at, but nothing too scary. We're going to get everything pulled out today and see what we can get done in this heat and work on transforming this front yard. This one's going to be fun. Let's get after it. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we have made some solid progress today. So we are working on shaping out the basin, getting stuff torn out. We have about half the feature torn out. It's taking a little bit of time because, like we talked about, everything is mortared together, so we're breaking it up without trying to fling concrete chunks absolutely everywhere. So about halfway through, we're getting our basin shaped now so we can work on getting this finished up. Pretty feel good about it. This breeze is phenomenal. This breeze is to die for. Alrighty guys, I'd like to introduce you to something I like to call spicy pipe. That is the gas line that is running through the front yard towards the homeowner's house, which we have discovered. The good news is we have not broke it or anything like that. So we're good to go technically. All we got to do is sort of shift our basin over, pack some soil around that, and there'll be a water feature that's never going to need to get ripped out in place of it. So we're not going to have to worry about finding that pipe ever again. So thank you for joining me for this episode of Spicy Pipe, and we will keep on keeping on. Oh, good morning guys. It is day 2 out here in Urbandale on this pondless tear out redo. And we got a little bit more digging to do, a little bit more tear out to do before we can start putting in a new system. So let's get tearing out, let's get digging, let's get the basin in today and see what happens. It's gonna be a little bit of a warm one again. Heat never stop us, let's get going. We found bees on the job site, guys. We love pollinators. Oh, good morning, everybody. It is day 3 out here at this Urbandale tear out rebuild for this pondless system, and we're chipping away. So we've got everything torn out over the past 2 days, and we have our basin in the ground. We are set up now to essentially treat this system sort of like 2 little streams. So we have the lower stream, which is going to be before the bridge or the under the sidewalk passing up the stairs, and then we're going to have the upper stream, which is on the other side of the stairs going up. We have ourselves set up to where I'm going to sort of work down at the bottom, Brady's going to work our way up, and we're essentially going to be building 2 streams at the same time. So our goal is to build some waterfalls, build some streams, have fun with it today, and see where we get to. So better batter. Alrighty guys, we are coming to a close on day 3 out here at this Urbandale pondless renovation, and we are chipping right along. So like we sort of talked about earlier today, it's pretty cool out here how we have essentially 2 streams that can be built at the same time. So I've got about 3/4 done on my stream down below, or this side of the stream. Brady has about the same amount done on the stream up top. So all we have to do is, when we come in tomorrow, connect the 2, finish some grade work around it, and hopefully we have water up and going. When we're at the time we're recording this, the 4th of July is around the corner, so hopefully we can maybe have some water running for the 4th, but we'll see. For now, we're gonna get out of the heat and we'll be back tomorrow. Welcome back, guys. It is the last day at this pondless tear out rebuild in Urbandale, and we are excited. We got lights to put in, we got grade work to do, we got to put plants back, we got to put grade stones in, and then we put a little bit of mulch on, and we're all wrapped up after the cleanup. So let's get after it, pitter patter. Alrighty guys, we are all wrapped up with this tear out, redo, renovation of this pondless system out here in Urbandale. This was a really fun one. We'll see you back in the studio after you get to see some pretty pictures of it. Check you then. Alrighty guys, that wraps up this pondless tear out rebuild, and I think this thing turned out phenomenal. I think the homeowner agrees with us. They really enjoyed this new space we've created for them in their front walkway, and the best part about it is all of the previous issues have been solved. So the old feature had all the concrete in it. It was leaking like crazy. We really couldn't do anything to keep it clean, and they couldn't keep it full of water. Getting it torn out, getting the new one put in. Doesn't leak anymore. Beautiful waterfalls coming from the top all the way down. Really sort of changed the whole look of this front space. You can actually see the waterfalls pretty well from the street now. And it's a real great way to come to the front porch and feel like you're going into a friendly neighborhood. So let us know what you guys think about this one down below in the comments. If you like what you guys saw in this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon so you get updated every time we upload. We have full-length videos every Wednesday and shorts uploaded daily to keep you distracted at work. Thanks for tuning in with this one, guys. We will catch you in the next one.